Kia ora, I'm Waikauri Greensill, and the project I'm working on for my final year thesis is designing a small water use and management system driven by tikanga and te taia. Nā te kukune te pūpuke, nā te pūpuke te hihiri, nā te hihiri te mahara, nā te mahara te hinengaro, nā te hinengaro te manako, nā te manako ka hua mai te wānanga. This karakia describes the process of creating knowledge from the inspiration or conception of an idea. Since the beginning of the year, this project has undergone many changes, and a lot of time has gone into just finalizing and defining what exactly this project needs to look like. So to present my progress, I'll be referring to this karakia and structuring my presentation around the steps involved. My interpretation of these steps and their relation to the creation of the project is shown here. Te kukune is the inspiration behind the project. Te pupuke is the development of the idea. Te hihiri is the final project idea. Te mahara is the gathering of information on the project. Te hinengaro is a clear pathway or roadmap forward. Te manako is the timeline to work on the project, and te wānanga is when the project has been completed. Initially, the project I was working on was actually a framework for iwi engagement, with focuses on water engineering, modelling water systems using ArcGIS, and te ao Māori through engagement with iwi. The project was changed quite early on, but these focus areas were the inspiration behind the new project. With these thoughts in mind, I did some preliminary research on these areas to find a knowledge gap or an interest that I could spend time researching. Things like the Sustainable Development Goals, commitment to improving the environment, or taio, the sustainability of drinking water and wastewater treatment methods, the tikanga or cultural practices around water, and learning of modelling tools like Stella, Sumo 19, and Excel helped develop the idea until the final project was decided. The final project was to design a small water use and management system driven by tikanga and te taia, using modelling software to design a low environmental footprint water cycle for a rural community that includes tikanga as an engineering constraint. Tikanga can vary greatly, but essentially are the rules or processes followed by people to keep themselves and the environment safe. By establishing tikanga for the simulated community to follow in regard to water management, with the intention that a real community may have their own tikanga that can be incorporated as they require, we can simplify the influence of human factors in the calculations and make the design system more fit for the community it serves. The literature review falls under the Mahara section, as it provided the necessary information required to start the project. The main information found was different methods of water treatment, information on water use, how to use the different modelling softwares, the water quality information, some tikanga, and much more. By ordering this information into a logical process, we get to the hinengaro step, seen here, and starting on the process, we get to te manako. This is the step I am currently on, and will continue on until the end of the project. Rough dates have been put in place, but the process is designed to be iterative, so the model will keep being improved until the deadline. The final result of this will be te wānanga, and will include a well-modelled water treatment, use and management cycle, as well as an analysis of its effects on the environment, with the aim of having as small a footprint as possible. This is the last of the steps, so I'll finish here. Thank you for watching my presentation.